As an NLP scientist, I'm all about mastering language with AI. My qualifications? A master's/Ph.D. in Computational Linguistics, Computer Science, AI, or a related field. I've got a deep understanding of NLP techniques and language models. Plus, I've got experience with NLP frameworks and libraries. But what really sets me apart? My strong programming skills in Python. In the world of NLP, I work in the Compute Plus Foundation layer. This is where the magic happens. I focus on foundation models and model training for NLP. It's all about building powerful language models that can understand and generate human-like text. But why is this important? Well, think about all the applications of NLP. From chatbots to voice assistants, language understanding is crucial. And that's where I come in. I train these models to be smarter, more accurate, and more efficient. So, if you want to unlock the true potential of AI in language, you need an NLP scientist like me. With my expertise, we can revolutionize the way we communicate with machines. Together, let's master language with AI.